Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In this video, I'm going to show you how I pluck and style this wig. If you look to the right, you're going to find another video where I show you how I bleach the knots of this wig. So this unit I purchased at the Bronner Brothers Hair Show in August of 2019, and I have to say I really love the quality and feel of this hair. At this point in time, I've already bleached the knots and I'm getting ready to just pluck the hairline because the hairline is really heavy at this point, which is fine. You know, just gotta take out some of these babies and let it look more natural. I'm gonna focus more on styling and less on plucking in this video because I have another video, a few other videos actually on plucking, and I'm gonna link one right above. At this point in time, the hair has been plucked, dried, and I just styled it in a sense. I just took my hot comb and I smoothed the hair out of the way, and I also separated the baby hairs. So this is a product from acdgX. It's a wax product. I can't think of the name right now, so I'm just gonna link it above for you. I'm just taking this product and I'm putting it on the hair. This acts like a wax stick. What this is gonna do is just allow the hair to look more natural. It adds a little bit of shine and it just allows the hair to sit really, really well. Right here, I'm just using the hot comb again, just to press the hair out one more time. I'm just using the heat to melt the wax into the hair, to add shine and luster, and just to make the hair look good. This is my Babyless, I think it's either 1.5 or 2-inch curling iron. I love this thing, and this is just, it works like a hot comb, so it's gonna help me to, you know, flatten out, press out the hair. Also, if you don't have a hot comb and you just have a tool like this, for instance, a curling wand, it can replace your hot comb because it's gonna flatten the hair out. This part is optional. I'm using the Got to Be sprayed because I want my curls to last longer, but I've actually curled other wigs without using the Got to Be and the curls did last. Like I said, that part's optional. Okay ladies, if you don't want a definite part in the head, if you don't want your style to be flat, if you want volume, this is a great curling technique. I just created a section in the middle of the head and I'm curling the hair at around 90 degrees from the head. So I just pull the hair straight out, sort of kinda, and I curl it like that because I want this hair to have volume for days. So after creating the first section, I'm doing the same thing again for another one. I'm doing another barrel curl on top of the head. As you can clearly see right here. I'm just gonna curl the hair straight up like that. This creates volume. I'm only doing this for like 2 sections, and then you'll see how I curl the rest of the head. Right here, I'm just curling the hair away from the face. I'm taking larger sections instead of smaller sections because this is just a nice, easy method to curl your hair, especially if you're in a hurry. The reason why I'm putting on the flexi rod before letting the curl drop is to allow the curl to cool. You can use flexi rods or you can use pin curls. Either way, your curls last longer because you're allowing it to set. So this is what the result will look like after you're done. To do the baby hairs, I'm just plucking hair some more around the hairline. That way it looks more natural. now going to use my razor to cut the baby hairs down. This is just going to make it look even more natural. The hairline I feel could look a little more natural, so I'm going to continue to pluck it some more. As you do this, as you're plucking, use a comb to comb the hair out just to make sure that you're not making any bald spots. I like to use this Pump It Up holding spray on the hairline instead of mousse because I like that it gives the hairline a more natural look. Creating the baby hairs is definitely a process that takes time, but if you really take your time and do this, the results will be amazing. Finally, I'm just gonna cut the net off of this wig. Sometimes I cut it when it's on my head or my client's head, and sometimes I cut it on the mannequin. So what I'm doing right now is just a rough cut. Once I put this wig on my head, I'm gonna cut it even closer to the hairline. This just makes it easier for me, this method right here.